So I got some bubble wrap from Marl's store on eBay, and I'm gonna unpackage it for you. It is Air All-Purpose Bubble Wrap brand Air Cellular Cushion. It's sealed air barrier bubble it's very cushioning. High or initial thickness and floss. Viscous less material required for better protection. Air retention layer maintains consistent cushioning for the shipping cycle. And this is from 2014. And sealed air products care. So sealed air brand makes this bubble. So I'm gonna pack it up. I'm gonna show you what I got. And please, and this might be I hear some calls in the background. Like this. Okay, so here it is. It is sealed air brand. No, I don't know how many people. Out. No. I don't know how I'm gonna take these bubbles out. Oh, cut the bubbles. So I have to cut the bubbles. That's fine. I'm gonna do that. I have 700 feet. There's 175 feet per row. So yeah, here's my Marl's store bubble. It was like 30 with shipping and everything. I think it was like 34, 36 bucks for a roll on eBay for 7 feet on eBay, which is not bad at all. So, and I'm gonna cut the tape off of it. You know? I think the bubble wrap waste. That's all. That's a typical on those strokes. See? Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna use for my bubble wrap. So yeah, I got my 700 feet of bubbles. So yeah, pretty excited. You know? I'm pretty excited, you know, to get my 700 feet of bubbles. I'll use up. So yeah, that's my Marl store bubble wrap. So that'll be it. It did cost like 36 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. You can look at the invoice. You know it comes with some, and with your fragile thank you stickers. Oh, that's awesome. I don't usually ship with fragile stickers, but 10 things I have that next 10 things that are fragile that I'm shipping that are pretty fragile. I'm gonna use this, so that'll help. Well, nice. So that's awesome. So next thing, take care. And I'm gonna be, and also I'm gonna be my eBay stuff. I'm gonna be doing is this trinket box. I don't know if it's glass or if it's porcelain. Honestly, that might be somewhere near the heart on there. I can't tell. But I can't tell. I got this screw stir, and I have this magnifying glass. Can't tell if it's like Bakelite. I can't tell if it's Bakelite or not. I don't know how you look at it. It's really screwy. It's really screwy. Coil brand or something? Coil brand. I don't know. That's kind of screwy on that. So I don't know if it's kind of odd if that's the way it's supposed to be or not. I mean, I have really no idea. But I will sell that. I have a couple other neat things I picked up from this hustle group. I picked up some books. And there's a few books in here that are like a little more like I'll show you on my eBay account here quick. I will show you what I picked up. What I have listed from that buy. I have all the Steins listed from there. And most of the hustle group listed. I just have a little bit of hustle group listed. I have 4-inch metal candlestick bronze. That's at $9.99 plus shipping. This one mini orange black rectangular picture frame with 2.5/16 by 2.18. It's a unique size. It has a antique, is a little vintage baby picture in there. So I figured I'd price it a little higher. But I still thought it was pretty cool anyways, frame. So I priced that about $19.99. I priced it, maybe I could get $24.99 or $29.99, but I thought maybe I could get a little more. But you know what? I'm gonna try at $19.99. This one hand by Tom Sears. There's a little wear on top. Alright, that still is very good. And it's $9.99 free ship still. But it will still sell eventually, maybe put on 10% sale. Might take a little bit still. Handmade cross crucifix sculpture wall hanging with wire and stones. Some of the stones are missing, but it has wire wrapped around the stone. It has like metal kind of wire. Guess you would say. That's sold for $19.99. That's at $19.99 per shipping. I figure I can make my own price. I figure I just put $19.99. Seems fair enough for that. It's Great Sherry's Speed Timber Collage print book, first trade edition, which is large print. It doesn't say it's large print edition, but it does. Most of these people are saying it's large print, even that. So it's $3.99 plus shipping. Ninja Human Special Export Glass Beer Mug, $4.99 plus shipping. Old Style Beer Stein, $19.5, $4.99 plus shipping. $6.99 plus shipping for 19 Miller High Life Stein, and $5.99 plus shipping from Holiday Traditions Christmas Beer Stein. Ignore that. That's a relist. That person can't want to cancel. They paid for it full price. This is a magnifying glass metal ring with white plastic. $9.99 free shipping. I figured just so cheap, man. So it's an easier one for $6.99 plus shipping and 7 free ships. I figured the price is known. It's a $9.99 free ship. This is a nature sketchbook by Amaro Jean, based in B massage magnet Homer. Message magnet helmet. This sold for 79 plus shipping, brand new package. The price at $3.99, half that plus shipping. Unused. This is Hiawatha metal sewing and nun kit. Gauge pen pending USA. This sold for $8, free shipping, best offer, but it was listed at $9.99. I have this listed. Vintage Larrabee Shop, Menominee, Wisconsin. Advertising pocket scooter. That's at $14.99 plus shipping. I'm gonna hold out a little bit on this. Like, maybe I can get full asking price or something on it eventually, or a little more, because I'm the only one on eBay. I'm not gonna go way too far on it now. I'm still gonna try to lowball me on this and like $8 and like half of it, and I'm like, yeah, I mean, I'll eventually sell it. I know I will. Average, it's cool. Someone will buy it eventually. Craftsman USA Genuine Phillips run screwdriver 3-inch. 941294 plus WF. That's at $2.99 push. That's what it sells for. And this Craftsman flathead screwdriver 1/8 inch 41589 USA. That's at $79 push. I have a book that's not listed on eBay, and there's very few that sold, but I priced it up pretty high, even though it's an acceptable edition. This is a vintage booklet in 1806. The Constitution of the United States of America. One sold for $22.50, one sold for like $7. My shipping, I'm gonna price mine at $22.49. I'm gonna price it up. I'm gonna price high. Yeah, I'm gonna either get my full asking price, or it's gonna sell on sale. I'm gonna take a best offer eventually, but it's gonna sell. I know it will. This Margent and Based Walk in the Woods hardcover dust jacket. This is a rare book. It's at $19.99 plus shipping. This is first edition 860 Stern in the North. Esco hardcover. Memoir of a Baritime book. I think this is in acceptable, yeah. So $9.99 plus shipping. I'm gonna try to get a little more for it, but I'll eventually sell it or on sale. Some Menominee, Wisconsin, WI, just different version. Sea brochure with map. This is the only one on eBay, and there's none on eBay of this sea. And I know these odd sea brochures. Some collector, someone eventually, sometime in the future, will buy this, and I'll end up. I'm not gonna put this in this one, so the Larrabee's screwdriver, just because of the fact that I know it's gonna sell anyways. It's gonna sell boss price eventually, or best offer sometime. And then this is a Webster's Thesaurus Vest Pocket Reference Book, 86 lexicon. This is 99 cents plus shipping. Not worth much. I figured I'll just get something for it. Strolls, Collectible Beerstein, Heritage Series 3, $6.99 plus shipping. Vintage Coors Beerstein Beer Truck 910, $12.49 plus shipping. $7.49 plus shipping for Miller High Life Beerstein Mug Rays and Mary Cheat Mountain Sea 19. And the complete poem of Emily Dickinson, 1960 cover for $9.99 plus shipping. So that's pretty solid. I'm listing from this stuff. I have a few more. I have like I said, the GE radio. I don't know if that works. The CDs do not play, so I might have to junk that because it's not worth much, really anything parts only. And then I have this. Maybe possibly Bakelite. No, okay, so possibly. Possibly. I don't know. I'll try it. Let's see. Sell that probably anyway. And then this is a screw starter on Dixon brand. You got something, a little something for it possibly. Where does it say that? It says Dixon. And then this is like a hand signed porcelain glass, but I'm assuming it's porcelain. That's gonna be listed probably for $19.99 or something like that plus shipping. I think that's pretty cool. It's signed. It's signed, and it's vintage, which is cool. I think it's pretty cool, but someone will buy that. And then I have little Marcelin Bateson. That Hallmark one person on the Major Bastine or whatever you pronounce your name. I have that's a little dish. I don't know if I'll find anything on it, but if I do, I'm gonna sell it. If not, I'm just gonna flip. I'm just gonna junk it. And then I have a little one on eBay. I have a little what is it? Oh, I have something else right here. I'll show you. It's a pin. Last jar with pins. Last jar does have a scratch in it. There's some cool pins. It has like a little pin. I don't know what this looks like. But if I can figure out what this looks like, maybe pin to pins. This would be pretty cool. I have they're all the same pin, you know. So installed as like a set of 5 of them pins. I think that'd be pretty cool if I set it in. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. This, 5. And then, yeah, so. I have, like, rods. I don't know if, like, rods on eBay. But if they do, I'm gonna sell them. And then I have a Made in China hammer. Unbranded hammer. Which obviously will not sucks. Unbranded, Made in China. It's unbranded and it's Made in China, not Made in USA, so. I don't think it's really worth anything. Yeah, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 for sure. 4. I have a few things. And I have a few, I have like a little glass jar with like a scratch in it. I think I have like a little vase. Unbranded vase. But it's cool design on it. I'm gonna try and sell that. Like what other type of unbranded vases or something. Like that height. And then I'm gonna see, and then I have like a little, planter, glass, like vase planter type, glass, like, I'd say like planter, vase or something like that. That has like, planters, like, stuff with like, it's like a wood chip on the bottom, unbranded. But I might still say the wood chip on the bottom. And then I have like a little, other item on eBay to sell. It's another glass thing. I can't think of it right now, what it is. But all this stuff should sell eventually. I mean, I'm gonna have over 206, just this. The pins should be 207. And then the 4 others should be 211. I don't know about the radio though. The radio kind of plays but doesn't. Fully functional. May not be fully functional, so I don't know. 211, 203, 6, 207. So, I'm just gonna try and sell it on. I'm just gonna try and ship it. I'm just gonna try and pitch it possibly. So it's like 210 listings on eBay. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty exciting. If I do say so myself, I'm going to list and ship. I'm just gonna ship it all. Yeah, and I have this one. Once it sells, so this is just gonna be a big step. Getting a ton of listings up. 3, and I have, and then I have possibly all those routes maybe. Then I'll sell it on eBay. And then I'll just do more listings on eBay. So I'll just do more listings. That'll be 200 and like 207, 208 possibly. Oh yeah, possibly most is 212. I don't know. I found Solid Rocks. If I Solid Rocks, I'll be at 215, 216. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, and then And there's another one on Monday, 13th. I'm gonna buy some stuff from there and flip it online. Flip it online. There's like a good bit of groups one. Like see lots like this and that. So a ton of stuff. I'm gonna flip online. That should be some good stuff in there. There's some good stuff in there. Like, so if it's cheap, I'll buy on it and flip it online. Someone will buy it for cheap. I'll buy it for cheap, like $3 minimum bid. Just keep flipping all that stuff, like a couple bucks, like 10, 20, 30 bucks. So if I turn 3 into say 30, or 3 into say 20, it's not a bad profit margin. I'm probably back to my money. So. I mean, it depends on what it is, but it's a quick shipper, quick lister. Easy to ship, easy to store. Got some bankers. What's this from them? Archos? That's gonna be easy. So I'm gonna get back and take this. Let's do this video. And then look up those on rocks and listen more of it. But no, so take care.